Here is a Toyota Highlander, and in order to replace the fog light, we have to make sure that the wheel is turned inwards. So if you work on the passenger side, the wheel should be left all the way. If you work on the driver's side, the wheel should be right all the way, because we have to be able to pull this wheel liner back to access the bulb. And for that, you also have to take off two bolts. Both of them are 10mm. So let's go ahead, get a 10mm socket ratchet combination and get these bolts off one by one. Get it out and keep them somewhere safe. This one is out, and let's get the second one out now. And now we have to peel this wheel liner back from there, and getting a flathead screwdriver makes it easier to sort of get it inside there and then peel it out. There you go. You just have to peel it out enough so that you can pull it back and get your hand inside over there. There you go, and that's where the bulb is, right over there. To get the bulb out, first thing we have to do is get the electrical connector off. So press down right where I'm pressing with my thumb, and then pull the connector off of it and slide it down. Grab the bulb and twist it left to loosen it, and the bulb is loose, and now you can get it out. The bulb size is H16. It says it right there on it, H16. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead and then put the bulb back in, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in like this. See, when it sits in flush, it shouldn't be sticking out. See, there's no light coming out from inside the light housing because the bulb is in place. Now just twist it right to lock it, and that's good. Put the electrical connector back on and click it in place. And now let's put this V-liner back in there. This may take a few seconds, so be patient with this. Get it back there. Put the bolts on one by one and then tighten them down. And that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.